There's some exciting news if you're an Android fan and you want to install Android OS on the Raspberry Pi. You can now install Android 14 on the Raspberry Pi 5 or 4 using the official Raspberry Pi imager. Here's how. First, head to the Raspberry Pi website and then download the Raspberry Pi imager for your operating system. Next, go ahead and insert a microSD card that has at least 32 gigs available into your PC's card reader, and then open the Raspberry Pi imager. Now select No Filtering and then navigate to the Freemium and Paid for OS section. And now choose Android by Emteria and then select Android 14. Click Choose SD card and select yours. Then click Write and then confirm. Wait for the writing process to complete and then verify the image. Once it completes, you want to safely eject the SD card and then insert it into your Raspberry Pi. Now power on your Raspberry Pi. Make sure you let it boot from the SD card with the newly installed Emteria Android OS. During setup, activate your device to access the full set of Emteria enhanced settings and features for Android. This is optional, but it's definitely recommended. Then after that, if you want to unlock even more features, visit the Emteria website so that you can create a device hub account. Then you should be able to redeem your free starter plan, which includes support for up to 3 Raspberry Pis. This is completely free and no credit cards are necessary. What's also cool is that Android on the Raspberry Pi also supports various peripherals including touchscreen displays, cameras, GPS receivers, and GPIO hats. So go ahead and give it a try with your favorite set of devices and then be amazed. Thanks for watching, and for more on Raspberry Pi and Android, please consider subscribing to this channel.